On this lesson, we're going to work on our last icon. So just as before, I'm going to click and drag to create a new artboard and delete the icon that I had already copied there. So for this icon, I'm going to create an organ. I pick the lungs. So again, I'm going to use my rectangle tool and move it right there. Then I want to create a bigger rectangle. That's going to be around that size. Then I'm going to go to my direct selection tool, press A on my keyboard and round that anchor point all the way to the center and round this one a little bit. You could round this as well to have everything rounded or leave it as it is. Now that you have the main shape, I'm going to use the pen tool to press P on my keyboard and create lines. As I told you before, all these lines are going to snap on our grid, so we're going to get lines that have the same or the right measurements. So let's go with our direct selection tool, press A on our keyboard and round this. And then this one as well. And we could try to have that rounded, or use our direct selection tool to move that anchor point a little bit, so it's a little bit angled right there. So now that I have everything ready, I'm going to go to my reflect tool, click on the center, press Alt and Shift to make a copy. Now let's center my icon. And I'm going to go to this anchor point and round it, so I get a shape more like this one. So I could bring everything down a little bit. And delete this part, because I think it should be more simple. And we could make these lines to make this not symmetrical, so very rarely organs are symmetrical, so we can add a little bit of variation. And if I go Ctrl Shift S, I can see how only the rounded lines and the ones that are on diagonal get a little fuzzy, but that's okay. And if I scale it down, everything is still there. So in the next lesson, we're going to make a variation of these icons.